It wasn't like that I want to be an actor, but I just wanted to act. लेकिन पिताजी चाहते थे कि मैं एक प्रोफेसर बनूं. I'm from a non-Hindi speaking belt, so my Hindi wasn't good. रोमा तुम बहुत अच्छी लड़की हो. जानती हो रोमा, मेरे बाप ने 2 शादियां की हैं. जानी, तुम जानते नहीं हम किस खेत के मूली है.
सीखिए स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और बहुत कुछ इंडिया के टॉप एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ. आज ही जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर अपने मनपसंद कोर्स को शुरू करिए. डाउनलोड द ऐप टुडे.
मेरा नाम है आदिल हुसैन. आई एम an actor. That's what people call me. I'm an actor and I had been acting since my childhood. और अभी तक कर रहा हूँ और मेरे ख्याल से मरते दम तक करता रहूँगा. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ ये शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू विच वी आर गुड एट, बट फ्रॉम गुड टू बेटर एंड नेवर स्टॉपिंग टू बी बेटर टिल वी डाई. बचपन से मेरा और मेरे पिताजी, ख़ास करके माँ मेरे साथ थे हमेशा, मैं जो भी करना चाहता था. लेकिन पिताजी चाहते थे कि मैं एक प्रोफेसर बनूं. ही वांटेड मी टू टीच इंग्लिश. ही वांटेड मी टू बिकम ए मास्टर डिग्री होल्डर in English and teach English at the local college, and which I refused. I became a rebellion. He stopped talking to me. My brothers were also not very happy that I am, in this profession which was known as Nautanki. And people always thought that there is no future in this particular profession because it was difficult. In those days, in Assam, far away from the capital city, far away from the city which is Bombay, and people, those who worked in film industry, they thought that, they were thought that they were gods, they are untouchables. And I grew up in a small little town where newspapers used to come 3 days after they were published. So obviously he was very worried, my father was very worried that there is no way that I can make it to, any kind of level of excellence in order to be an actor and earn my living. So he was worried about my future. So struggle continued, still continuing, different kind of struggle now. शुरू में मैंने पहला प्ले जो मैंने किया, I did it when I was in class 1. I was 8 years old, and I was in a play. It's called Capmaker and the Sailor, and that play happened, and I was totally engrossed by the fact that how did it felt like it was 5 minutes, though the play was for 30 minutes. And it felt like 5 minutes. And I came down and I asked my teacher that, was it already 30 minutes? And she said, yes, it was 30 minutes. I said, but it felt like 5 minutes. So it was like a thing that the time stood still, and I was completely taken aback that, how is it possible for me to not to feel the time passing? And that caught my attention, and I continued doing plays every year. And then at the age of 13, I decided that this is what I would like to do. It wasn't like that I want to be an actor, but I just wanted to act. I had been always fascinated by different sounds, what you hear around you. I had been, and I think we all grew up, mimicking our parents, also mimicking the language that we learn. We learned our mother tongue by mimicking the sounds that we hear around. And then there were these great actors, Bachchan Sahab and Shatrughan Sinha Sahab and Dharmender and Ajit and all those great Hindi film actors who were there. And I would come home and after watching the movie, and I would start imitating them. So there's this Shatrughan Sinha Sahab, who is an amazing actor. Today's generation most probably haven't seen his performances, but the way he used to sort of speak his lines were astonishingly larger than life. Oi! Kis haramzada ne yahan aane kis something like that. And Bachchan Sahab would be like, Mukhtar Singh ka naam suna hai tumne? You know, so there are so many other actors. Ajit was like, तमाम प्लान के मुताबिक हम हिंदुस्तान छोड़ के अमेरिका जा रहे हैं. Then Rajkumar would say, जानी तुम जानते नहीं हम किस खेत के मूली है, इतने साल बीते, महीने बीते. And then there were comedians, Jagdeep Saab, अरे मियाँ झका झक. So I used to imitate all these actors, and I realized that this particular skill of mimicking is about listening to the person carefully, and slowly people thought that I could possibly act. So I started acting, plays written by somebody else, and I had a great time, and people started appreciating me. So that sort of inspired me to look at this particular skill that I have and take it forward by practicing it every other day. I used to listen to on a Walkman Bachchan Saab's voice. रोमा तुम बहुत अच्छी लड़की हो, जानती हो रोमा मेरे बाप ने 2 शादियां की हैं, एक मेरी माँ के साथ. So, I would listen and I will immediately say it, and then I correct it. I made my friends listen to them, and they would say, no, there is thoda sa problem hai, idhar hai, udhar hai. So I used to correct them, and it just felt fascinating, and I continued to do that. मेरा सबसे पहला break जो आया था when I was studying in National School of Drama, and before that, what happens is that in NSD, I'm from a non-Hindi speaking belt, and so my Hindi wasn't good, my uchcharan wasn't good, my grammar of Hindi wasn't good, tha, thi, kahan hota hai ya hoti hai, I have no clue. Still I have a problem with that, but I read the script, I memorized the script, and I learned the lines and I speak. But this director called Robin Das, who saw probably the potential that I have, and he cast me in the biggest role ever after 1.5 years at the National School of Drama. The role is inspired by a very famous character which was written by Christopher Marlowe. The name of the role in Hindi was the devil, but actually it was called Mephistopheles. And he cast me in that role, and I was so worried that, my God, it's a huge responsibility. But that's the thing, I guess, which sort of transformed my belief in myself, transformed my confidence level from almost nil to at least 50% more. And I worked right from the morning at 4 o'clock till 10 in the night, 2 in the night, and I prepared that role. And when I came to perform in Delhi after that, all my teachers in National School of Drama, they were completely bowled by the performance. And that gave me the confidence that, yes, I can act. And after that, they started trusting me with bigger roles and bigger roles. My first television show was Jasoos Vijay. And it was a huge monumental task to be in the lead of a series which ran for 2 years. My greatest insecurity was memorizing the lines and to be able to speak in a language which was mostly Hindi. And in order to speak Hindi properly so that people do not smell that I'm from a particular part of the country. So it is standardized. And for that, I had to really work very, very hard. I feel that it is possible you cannot be perfect, but just to give the feeling that, okay, he is good enough. And that is good enough, actually, in a way. But to become greater in any specific field, you cannot stop working hard. So, iske baad, after I was busy doing theatre, and I was not very happy with the kind of films that I watched before, and I did not want to act in films. I fell in love with theatre. So one of my friends who became a casting director in Bombay, who called me and said, Adil bhai, there is a role and I would like you to audition for it. I said, यार मुझे छोड़ दो, मैं थिएटर करने वाला हूँ, मैं थिएटर करता हूँ, मैं NSD में पढ़ाता हूँ, मेरे पास एक मोटरसाइकिल है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मुझे नहीं करना है फिल्में. तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, ये अच्छी फिल्म है, आपके लायक फिल्म है, जो आप पसंद करते हैं उस किस्म की फिल्म है. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, चलो भेज दो. So he sent me the script, and I prepared my lines, and I learned my lines, and I shot on a camera like this, and I sent it to Bombay. Those days it was very difficult. You have to put it in a CD and send it to Bombay. And after a few days, the director called me. I'll tell you guys the name of the director later, who called me and said that I would like to meet you. I said, okay, can you come to Bombay tomorrow? I said, no, I can't, because I teach in NSD and I don't have the budget to buy a ticket in, air ticket and go to Bombay. He said, oh, but I would like to meet you tomorrow. I said, I can't do it. So he said then, okay, I would like to come to Delhi and meet you. I said, yeah, you're most welcome. I'm free between 1 and 2 during the lunch break. Then he comes and he meets me and he says that, why aren't you in Bombay? I said, well, the kinds of films that are produced in Bombay, I'm not very fond of it, so why should I be in Bombay? He said, no, this is a different kind of film. I would like you to be a part of it. And I said, okay, but I have got 3 conditions, and I gave my conditions. One was that I hate dubbing, and the other one is that I need my co-actor to be behind the camera, even if he or she is a star. When I give my close-ups, it is important. So he said, okay. And the third one was that I need rehearsals because I'm a theater actor. So he agreed to all of them, and then I did my film and it got released. The name of the film is Ishqiya, and the director is Abhishek Chaubey, who came to Bombay, Delhi from Bombay to meet me. And that film got sort of a lot of attention, and my role, though it was a small role, it got a lot of attention, and I kept getting roles after that. I only auditioned for another Hindi movie. After that, till today, whatever the films I have done in Bombay, I haven't been auditioned. The other movie that I was auditioned for was English Vinglish. एक फिल्म जो मैंने किया था, उसका नाम है गंगोर. It was an Italian production. उसके बाद वो फिल्म जो है रोम में दिखाई गई, रोम इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, और उसके लिए मुझे बेस्ट एक्टर भी मिला न्यू जर्सी साउथ एशियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में. और उसके बाद मैं अपने टीचर से मिलने गया पौंडीचेरी में. तो मेरे टीचर ने कहा कि आदिल, यू आर गुड. तो मैंने कहा कि ओके, नो, यू आर एक्चुअली ब्रिलियंट. सो आई थॉट ही वाज पुलिंग माय लेग. सो आई सेड, व्हाई आर यू सेइंग that, and am I, no, you are really good, and I mean, you are brilliant. But don't try to be good, Adil, or don't try to be brilliant. It is important that not to be satisfied just being good. Good is not good enough. And being brilliant is also not good enough. Then he says, Adil, stop trying to be good or brilliant. Try to be truer. It is important to be truer and go deeper in the craft that you have chosen for yourself and you are passionate about. So what do you mean by truer? Is that you have to go deeper into it. There is no end, there is no bottom of the truth. There is no way that you can ever dive deeper enough. So you'll always find new things in order to explore yourself. It means, if I say it intellectually, without giving the example, which is a long story, is that there is no way that we can ever rest with the skills that we have chosen to pursue, with the passion that we have chosen to pursue. We always have to find to go deeper into it. And unless we go deeper into it, we cannot be better than good. Forget about being the best, because best we cannot be. Once we started thinking, or if I start thinking that I am the best, that means we are dead. There is no way we can be the best, because there is always another horizon after you have reached a certain destination. There is one more destination to go. And that's, I guess, is the crux of being, as people say, that from being good to great or greater.
एक मिनट ठहरिए, वीडियो को बंद मत करिएगा. मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं. क्या आप भी अपनी इंग्लिश को इंप्रूव करके अपने करियर और जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं? क्या आप भी जानना चाहते हैं कि एक कॉन्फिडेंट और डायनामिक पर्सनैलिटी के क्या सीक्रेट्स होते हैं? क्या आप ये सोचते हैं कि पैसों से पैसे आखिर कैसे कमाया जाए? अगर इनमें से कोई भी सवाल का जवाब हाँ है, तो जोश टॉक्स के पास हमारे लिए एक सुझाव है। जोश टॉक्स हमारे लिए लाया है जोश स्किल्स ऐप, जहां पर डिटेल्ड और इंटरैक्टिव कोर्सेज के साथ हम विभिन्न टॉपिक्स को समझ सकते हैं और अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। और तो और जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर ऐसे 50 से ज्यादा कोर्सेज हैं जिन्हें देश के जाने माने एक्सपर्ट्स ने बनाया है, और वो हमें डेली वीडियो लेसन्स, असाइनमेंट्स, टेस्ट्स और पीडीएफ नोट्स के साथ सिखाएंगे। जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर आज 1,20,000 से ज्यादा लोग स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, कंप्यूटर स्किल्स जैसे अलग अलग विभिन्न टॉपिक्स को सीख रहे हैं और अपने अगले जॉब और अपनी जिंदगी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़े, अपने करियर गोल्स को अचीव करें और जिंदगी में कुछ बड़ा करें, तो आज ही डाउनलोड करें जोश स्किल्स का ऐप और अपने पहले कोर्स की शुरुआत करें। आपसे कोर्स में मुलाकात होगी।